Hello, today I'd like to introduce a kind of cool feature we have of OpenHands, which is asking it to create a web application, then having the agent go in and use its web browser to go in and debug whether that web application is actually working. So let's go to app.allhands.dev and click Launch from Scratch. And this will start up an agent that we can start working with. Okay, and now it's started, so I will write create a to-do list app in Flask. And so this will take a little while for the agent to work. We can watch it work over here and see that it has made a directory for static files and templates, and it has created the main app file. We can look at the changes it made to the app file by clicking over here in the Changes tab, which shows us all of the things it implemented. So that's kind of nice feature. So you can kind of watch what the agent is doing while it's working. And it's editing the index file, the style file to make the app look nice, requirements.txt to make it easy to install, and adding a README. So you can see it's kind of following good coding practices, and now it will start up the app. And so it's running very, very quick. And what I can say is let's run in the background and then test out with your browser. And so if I do this, it will run the app in the background. And it checked if the app was running, and now it should navigate there with its browser. It's checking the log and saw the port was already in use and is trying it out. So that's kind of the nice thing of agents. They can debug their own problems and make sure that things work. So, okay, it should be working now. And you see it browse to the app, and we can see our to-do list app over here. And it sees that it's running, but now it wants to test the functionality. So what we can do is we can see that it went through and it filled in buy groceries, and it clicked, and you can see that in real time it's testing out your app. And then it also is testing the delete functionality and other stuff like this. So I find this really exciting. I'm not, the best front-end developer, but it's able to kind of try out the front end, see if the functionality is working, and fix any issues on the fly. And I even had one time where the app crashed, and the agent realized that the app crashed even before I did, and it was able to go in and fix the problems. So this is as simple as just saying, go and develop an app and then test out if it works, and you don't really need to do anything else. So now we're done. Let me stop this. In a real scenario, what I would do next is I'd ask it to push it to GitHub and finish it up so that I could continue working on it.